Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey guys and gals, Tech for Hire here. What are we going to do today? I have my 2018 Kia Niro and we're going to install a K&N filter, replacement filter for this thing. It pretty much looks like every 7,500 miles you have to change the air filter. I don't want to go through all that, so I'm going to install a K&N air filter. Which air filter? This Mamma Jamma. It is part number 333077. If you've never had a K&N filter before in your life, you should really ask yourself, why not? You've been missing so much. These generally add 5 to 10 horsepower to your vehicle. As you can see here, it looks much better than the stock unit. I'll show you when I pull the stock unit out. I've actually never opened this thing before, so it'll be a first for both of us. But we'll do a side by side and see which, what they look like and what the difference is. But generally speaking, with these, they're good for about 50,000 miles, depending on the terrain that you drive in. They have a oil infused filter, say that 3 times fast. And basically what you can do is, instead of throwing out the filter when it's used up, you can clean these things, wipe them down, re-oil them, pop them back in. They're good for another 50,000 miles. So these things are pretty awesome. I believe they have like a 1,000,000-mile warranty, but don't quote me on that because I don't want somebody to shoot me. But anyways, like I said, this is my 2018 Kia Niro. Now normally you get a 5 to 10 horsepower increase and a fuel efficiency of like 1 to 2 miles per gallon. This is a hybrid. It's got a small internal combustion motor and an electric motor. Will I see any of those increases? Probably not. This is probably one of the most worthless upgrades I could potentially do to this car. But honestly, for me, I love K&N filters. I like the sound of them. Again, I don't know if I'm really going to hear the filter through this thing. But if anything, I won't have to replace the filter for every 7,500 miles. So, after figure a year or two, it pays for itself. So, why not, right? So let's go ahead and get down to the install and then we'll compare the filters. All right, I'll stick my filter over here. So to take this box off, you have a clip on this side and you have one clip here and one clip here. So on these, you're just gonna pull upwards. This one, you push off to this way or to the right side, whatever. So you lift up a little bit and slide it towards the front of the car and it pops up. You just set this off to the side. Now this filter actually looks pretty good. It looks really clean. It doesn't have much stuff on it. There's a little bit of dust on this side, but you can tell the difference between these. This one has a lot more rows to it, so it's going to get a lot more of that dirt out. So we'll go ahead and set this one off to the side. Take this paper filter out, or the plastic bag. One thing you want to make sure is that you put it in the correct way. This looks like it goes this way. Squeeze it in there. Get this. Slide it back in there. That's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the install is done. As you can see, it's super simple. If you have this car and you want to install a replacement air filter on your car, that's how you do it. As you've seen, it's super easy. It takes less than 60 seconds. It will take you more time to order your air filter than actually install it. Don't do this at the dealer. Do it yourself. Save yourself some money. Get the K&N air filter. I got mine. It was $45 with tax and shipping, so I had a $10 coupon. I think the filter by itself was like $52, $55. But you save your money over time. These filters from the dealer probably range about 20 bucks. So figure 2.5 filter changes, which is 15,000, 22,000 miles. You've already paid for your filter, and these filters are good for 50,000 miles before you have to change it again. Although if you're in a very dirty area, desert, you're gonna have to replace it more often. These filters, the K&N filters, they've got a lifetime warranty. It's a great product. I use them on every single vehicle that I have, with the exception of my motorcycle, because I got to see about getting it on that, because that's probably one of the next projects I'm gonna do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell, the little bell notification. That way you get notified whenever my new videos come out. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to hit me up. Until next time.